Morning, everyone. Program on our constitution, our self-respect, organized in Charkhi Dadri. A program themed our constitution, our self-respect was successfully organized to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Indian Constitution. The event aimed to highlight the pivotal role of the Constitution in guiding citizens toward fulfilling their duties while staying aware of their rights. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma presided over the event and led the reading of the preamble of the Constitution with children emphasizing significance of the values it enshrines. In his address, he stated the preamble gives a meaningful message by making us aware of our rights towards society and the responsibility we must undertake as empowered citizens. The Constitution is our strength, our pride, and the foundation of a just and harmonious society. He encouraged the younger generation to read and understand the Constitution, ensuring they grow into responsible citizens who actively contribute to the nation's progress. The recognized efforts and creativity. The Deputy Commissioner also honored winners of various competitions organized under the theme Our Constitution, Our Self-Respect, presenting certificates of appreciation to the participants. This inspiring program served as an opportunity to instill constitutional values of minds, fostering a sense of responsibility and respect for the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Green Republic Day celebrations to be held in Charkhi Dadri. Republic Day celebrations will take place with great enthusiasm in the district on Sunday, January 26. Preparations for the great event have been completed with senior officials inspecting the venue, ensure everything is in order. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma stated that the celebration will be organized at the new grain market complex, where Haryana's Food and Civil Supplies Minister Rajesh Nagar will hoist the national flag and take the salute during the march past. Spectacular culture programs and tableaus showcasing the government's public welfare schemes will also be presented. National Voters Day, a fall of responsible voting. Citizens aged 18 years or above are urged to register in a voter list and fulfill their duty as responsible voters. This message was emphasized during a program held at Government College Bhairavi to mark National Voters Day. The Deputy District Election Officer and City Magistrate highlighted the importance of voting in a democracy, urging citizens to cast their votes without any bias or discrimination. An aware voter can transform the country's future. Choose leaders who are dedicated to development and progress, he said. Voters and ex-servicemen honored by District Administration Charkhi Dadri. On the eve of Republic Day, District Administration officials honored war widows and award-winning ex-servicemen by visiting their homes. Officials from the Panchayat and Development Department and the Revenue Department presented the shawl as a token of respect to the families of martyrs and decorated ex-servicemen. Wall of Happiness exemplary initiative for the needy. Puran Market Mobile Association President Sandeep Fogart and Rajesh Jangra today made a commendable contribution for the needy on the Khushiyon Ki Diwar. They brought the extra step kept in their homes to this wall so that the needy people of the society can take advantage of it. He said that this initiative is a commendable step to help the needy in the society. A campaign like Khushiyon Ki Diwar sends a positive message in the society and it inspires people for mutual cooperation and charity. Sandeep Fogart and Rajesh Jangra appeal to everyone to make the excess items available in their homes the part of this campaign for the needy. They described such works as a extremely important for the development and the equality of the society.
खुशियों की दीवार जो खुली हुई है, ये एक ऐसी सामाजिक पहल है जिस भाई को सामान की जरूरत होती है वो यहाँ से ले जाता है और जिसके पास जो फालतू घर पे जो वेस्ट पड़ा होता है वो यहाँ रख जाते हैं। इससे अच्छी खुशी क्या होगी, जो हमारे वेस्ट पड़ा सामान को अगर किसी भाई को खुशी में मिल जाए तो ये एक अच्छा एक सराहनीय कदम है। इसका धन्यवाद करते हैं और आप लोगों से अपील भी करते हैं कि आपके पास जो भी सामान फालतू घर पे वेस्ट है उसको भगाने की बजाय और कहीं गिरने की बजाय यहाँ खुशियों की दीवार पे डाल जाए ताकि किसी भाई की उससे सामान की खुशी मिल सके। धन्यवाद।
Society Women District President Vidya Jakhad contributes to the Khushiyon Ki Diwar initiative Charki Dadri. Vidya Jakhad, the Women District President of Yuva Jagrati Sangathan, made a remarkable contribution to help the needy under the Khushiyon Ki Diwar initiative. She brought essential items for those in need and placed them on the Khushiyon Ki Diwar, ensuring these items could benefit the less fortunate. Praising the initiative, Vidya Jakhad said, such acts by society remind us of our responsibility towards community. She also urged others to participate in such noble causes and forward to support needy. In this initiative conveys a powerful message of fostering unity and charity in society, inspiring others to contribute towards the welfare of those in need.
नमस्कार जी, मैं खुशियों की दीवार को नमस्कार करती हूँ और यहाँ पर जो भी जन सेवा के लिए जिसके पास सामान ज़्यादा है वो रख जाए और जिसको ज़रूरत है वो ले जाए। हम सभी आम जनता से ये सहयोग करते हैं और अपील करते हैं जी।
Sanjeev Malik and Suman Malik contribute to Khushiyon Ki Diwar initiative to help the needy. Sanjeev Malik and Suman Malik made a commendable contribution to Khushiyon Ki Diwar initiative by bringing items from their homes and placing them on the wall to assist the needy. Their generous move promotes a spirit of the unity and help in society. Praising the initiative, the said such works inspire us towards humanity and promote mutual cooperation society. Sanjeev Malik and Suman Malik also appealed to everyone to actively participate in this campaign and donate any extra items available in their homes for the benefit of the needy. They emphasized that such works are vital for the development and equality of society. Sunil Kumar Beriwala, owner of Subham Fashion, brought new clothes from his shop and placed them on the wall of happiness. He made small and big clothes of different sizes available to the needy people so that they can take advantage of them. Sunil Kumar Beriwala appreciated his initiative fund and the such works promote unity and cooperation in the society. He also appealed to the other people to coming to this campaign and come forward to help the needy. This initiative is working to strengthen the spirit of charity and mutual cooperation in the society. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, टेक केयर, जय हिंद, जय भारत।